Today we are going to discuss about pressurized underground cables. Solid type cables are suitable only up to 33 kilowatts. Only up to 33 kilowatts it is suitable. At higher voltages, the chances of breakdown in cables due to ionization in voids become quite high. The chances of breakdown becomes quite high. In pressurized cables, voids are eliminated by maintaining a higher pressure than atmosphere. And there are two types of pressurized cables: oil filled cables, gas filled cables. Single core and three core filled cables are suitable for 33 kilowatts. Okay. An oil filled cable is kept constantly supplied with low viscosity mineral oil through ducts of the cable, and these ducts being connected to oil reservoirs. And the advantages of oil filled cables: the expansion and contraction produce changes in the oil level in the reservoirs and therefore do not result in voids. Therefore, the do not result in voids. That is the main advantage. And the next advantage is any space formed by the distortion of the bad sheath or by relative movement of paper dielectric is immediately filled with oil. Okay, those are the advantages, main advantages, and those are the main advantages of oil filled cables. And breakdown inception stress of oil filled cables is 300 to 400 kilovolt by centimeter, which is higher than for a solid type of cables, which is much higher than the solid type of cables. Normal operating stress are raised considerably. Maximum stresses up to 130 kilovolts by centimeter are acceptable for 275 kilovolts and 400 oil filled cables. Okay, and a single core oil filled cable has the oil duct either with the conductor where the conductor is hollow or in the sheath. Okay, three core cable has three oil ducts, one in each filler space. The pressure within the cable must not fall below atmospheric under lower limit of about 217 kN by meter square gauge inset. Okay, the transient pressure developed when the load is suddenly increased should not increase beyond about 8600 kN by meter square gauge. The current carrying of oil filled cable is determined by allowing a normal max conductor temperature of 85 degrees Celsius. Now the gas filled cables. In these cables, the paper dielectric is impregnated with petroleum jelly so that it may not have any free compound. Okay. Then the interstices between the layers of the paper are then filled with gas, generally dry nitrogen, at a pressure up to 1380 kN by meter square, forming a composite dielectric. Okay. The pressure is retained by the lead sheath. The gas flows throughout the cable via the filler space, but gaps in the dielectric and conductor strands. In single core cables, such as clearance to sheath is left for allowing the axial flow of gas. In case of multi-core cables, such as clearance is not necessary because the filler spaces and the strands provide a sufficiently a low resistance path for the flow of gases. In case of multi-core cables, such as clearance is not necessary. There the clearance is not necessary because the filler space and strands provide a sufficiently low resistance path for the flow of gas. That's what we understood. And then we go to the advantages of gas filled cables. The oil filled cable is that oil pressure reservoirs and the other extraneous apparatus are not necessary, and still the ionization is avoided because the voids are filled with the gas at high pressure. This is the main advantage of gas filled cables. And we come to next. Another cable used for high voltage is external pressure cable. Another cable used for high voltage is external pressure cable. That is different. In these cables, the conductor cores, after being insulated, impregnated and covered with sheath, are placed in a steel pipe which is filled with gas, generally nitrogen, at a pressure of about 12 to 15 atmospheres. That for up to about some 12 to 15 atmospheres. Okay. Now, because of external gas pressure, the voltage required to set up ionization inside the voids is increased. Because of the external gas pressure, the voltage required to set up ionization inside the voids is increased. And these are the points of gas filled cables. The two types of cables are pressurized cables are oil filled cables and gas filled cables. Okay, we saw the advantages of both oil filled cables and gas filled cables, and which is now these are the pressurized underground cables. Okay, thank you.